Okay, site F-24 in Gregg Lake still. Really easy site to get into. Single shot back in. Well, at least to get into site. I pulled forward just to get camper where I wanted it to. So that's your approach. You got a really nice angle. It's nicely curved. Get in. So get over here. So my kid's playing with sticks. There's Kita girl. This is the edge. It's not a huge site, but again, plenty size. Keep in mind this is a 27-foot cabin on this camper, 30 feet hitch to bumper, so still have enough room for my Expedition Max, which has got a 113-inch wheelbase. No, 131-inch wheelbase, I think it is. Just walking around the site. Hi, Mom. Oh, you're on it. It's kind of the back of the site. They're playing some kind of soldiers. Ruger's marking territory. Turning around, you might want to shoot this way. It's not gonna work. And then from the back of the site. So I don't know where the bathrooms are. Did you see any bathrooms in this loop when we drove in, dear? I know there's none in that loop over there. I'm not sure how close you're to the bathroom. This is power only. And then the garbage cans are right there, so yeah. Okay, so this is F-24 in Gregg Lake Provincial Park.